Try it. Just take one bootlace, double it, split it so it circulates the same. Like bam. Works pretty good. So by using this method, your spindle is always controlled and you don't have that wibbly wobbly you're dealing with. And I'm sure this was done by the natives. This isn't inventing the wheel or anything, but try it out. It works great. Hope you enjoyed that. Try it out. It's a lot of fun. A lot easier. I'll tell you what, you can get a coal almost every single time. And really, once you get the hang of it, it's almost literally fail-proof. So, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later. Did I mention it's been raining all day? Remember that one in a survival situation. One bootlace in half.